What's up, everyone? Today we are going to be making a costume. It's going to be a Pennywise costume because I just saw the movie and I really liked the character design and I wanted to do it for less than $40 because everyone deserves to be a clown even if you can't buy the expensive costumes from Spirit Halloween. The first thing that you will need is a wedding dress from the thrift store, one that you gravitate to spiritually. I like this one because of the sleeves. And I also like this one because it was $5. So that was ultimately the best thing for my budget. The next thing you will need is a can-do attitude because this is going to be interesting. I don't really have a plan. I'm kind of just going to wing it. I have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I'm excited to get into it. So let's go. The first thing I did was cut this glitter lace off the front of the dress because I'm trying to be a scary clown and not an 80s bride. I don't have a dress form, so this is the best I can do right now. I saved all the scrap pieces that I cut from the bottom of the dress because I'm going to use them later as the collar and accents for the costume. So I hung one of my dresses that I know fits me at a good length over this dress because I want to make sure that I cut it not too short. So we're going to be cutting probably 2 inches below the bottom of this dress. Oopsies. Next, I cut this giant decorative butt bow off the back of the dress, and hopefully I'll be able to use it again one day. Next, I'm using a black glaze spray paint to give the dress more of a dirty look. When I posted this video on TikTok, a lot of people mentioned that I sprayed the fence. So, I'm sorry about the fence. It's a fence next to my dumpster and people put trash on it, so I didn't really take that into consideration when spraying my dress. I just want to take this time to apologize to the fence personally. I didn't mean anything by it. I hope that we can still be friends. I also made some pom-poms with some red yarn that I got for $3. You don't have to make your own pom-poms. I just did because I am difficult. Now it is time to attach said pom-poms to their beloved home. I just took one of the strings from the pom-pom and pushed it through the dress with a sewing needle and knotted the back so that they stayed in place. After that, I glued them down a little bit more just so I could jump around in this costume and not have to worry about them falling off. With the leftover scraps I had, I started sewing ruffles. And honestly, if you've never sewed ruffles before, 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is my first time and definitely not my last. With my scrap pieces, I ended up having enough fabric for 1 neck collar, 2 armbands, and some short little ankle bands. Then obviously I gave them a fresh coat of paint so that they could match the rest of the costume. To get the ruffles to stay around my arms and neck, I used this stick-on Velcro because at this point I was honestly a little bit tired of sewing. I thought they turned out really good. I was pretty proud of myself. So please enjoy this clip of me embarrassing myself. After that, the costume was complete. I just needed some white tights and a long sleeve to go underneath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a really fun time making it, and I also wanted to say that I am doing a giveaway for this costume. I won't be wearing it to Halloween, and I thought it would go to waste if nobody wore it, so I'm going to give it to one of you guys. If you want to be entered to win, all you have to do is sub to this channel and comment down below. Check the description for more details. Thanks for watching, bye!